everyone, it's Christina here. Welcome back to my channel. This is the Easter weekend. We're going to make delicious blondies with mini chocolate eggs. Absolutely gorgeous. And if you like the video and you're not one of my subscribers yet, don't forget to subscribe and tap that little bell. That way you get notifications every week when we put the videos up. And happy Easter. Have a great weekend, guys. I'll see you next time. Until then, kom break een egg. Bake for 20 minutes at 180, and then we're adding the eggs. Stay tuned. So after 20 minutes, you take it out and you're going to drop all the eggs in here. We're just going to shove them in. Okay. And now it goes back to the oven for an extra 10 more minutes. So here you go, all done. Blondies with mini Easter eggs. They smell absolutely delicious and I'm sure they'll taste amazing. So thank you so much for watching, everyone. Happy Easter. See you next time. Bye for now.